Sapp Brothers, and it's about a 15-minute drive from there, so should be there soon. Let's go. Now that's an old girl right there. Sheesh. It's a nice Kenworth. I tell you I'm a CB, but I don't got one. Good old morning rush hour traffic. Give them a little Jake brake action, wake them up a little bit. Whoa, whoa. So apparently there's a couple locations, and I should have just, went from the address and not typed in the name. But so yeah, I went to the wrong one. They're like, hey, you just gotta go, 15 minutes the other way. So now we're going closer to downtown to their main warehouse. So it's probably gonna be pretty chaotic because there wasn't like anyone at that other one. It's like, oh man, I'm gonna get loaded real quick. But oh well. We're 10 minutes away now, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, all loaded up. Ready to get out of Dodge and head to Denver. Not gonna lie, this Chicago road is a lot smoother than a lot of the paved roads. We're cruising. Can we get some air off of this guy? Come on now. Alright, well, it's Friday night, about 11:30. Made it to the spot where I unload. I've actually unloaded here before, but I'm just gonna drop the trailer and just head on home and then unload Monday morning. And there we have it. We got the new blades installed. See how she does. Super easy. The adapters, you just pop the original ones out and then pop the adapters in and screw them on there. Not too shabby. On my way to go pick up Kenny, and then we're gonna go watch the stunt show, watch the Robo Crew, go do some wheelies, burnouts, the usual. So should be a good show. I just got some B-dubs. Now we're gonna head over to Gunners, and I guess we'll just have to wait and see where the night takes us. So I'm over on these batteries, so I'm just finally going in to Peterbilt. Brandon's gonna hook me up, and I'm gonna get 3 new batteries just because that other one is still good and it's reading good voltage. So I'm just gonna be done with it, and so I don't have to jump my truck every single time. And then after that, got a load from Marshall to somewhere in between Minneapolis and Wausau is where I'm going to meet up with the boys, Sheldon and Brad. So we're gonna do some filming and hopefully I get some good content for you guys. Best Peterbilt in the state. Let's go. First class service when I come to Peterbilt, as always. All right, man. Hey, I really appreciate it. Hey, till next time. Later. Yeah. Literally, that did not take more than a minute, and I already got the new batteries. Just gotta go in and pay for them and good to go. All right, just rinsed off the old girl. Man, it takes a couple hours each time, but she's looking good. Here's Payne. Here's Payne. What's up, Daisy? Alright, finally got a load going to Wisconsin. Only had to wait an extra day. The load that I was going to take yesterday ended up wanting to go to Milwaukee, and they weren't willing to pay like much more than what originally where we were going to go. So I decided to back out of that load, but works out because we got a load from Aberdeen, which is a couple hundred miles from where I'm at now, and it's going to Sheldon, Wisconsin, so it puts me an hour within where the boys are at. Hey, that's my color right there. Hey, that one's a little white. Alright, well, we made her the case. Everyone is at lunch right now, so just gotta wait till they get back and get loaded with the clamor. Well, look who decided to show up. We got Ron. What's going on, Ron?
Hey guys.
Yeah, he just so happened to see me, and he ended up stopping. Oh, okay. Yeah, so. But yeah, so if you guys don't remember, we actually met Glendive, Wyoming, right? Or
Montana.
Yeah, Montana. So
The honeybees.
yeah, the honeybees. Yeah, you love your friends. They're still with me. But yeah, anyways, that's crazy. All right, Ron. Well, I gotta get loaded here, so it was nice chit chatting with you. And you want to say anything to YouTube?
I see you again.
Yeah. All right. Well, hey, until next time. All right, later, man. Man, Ron's such a cool dude. Well, she's loaded up. Just gotta figure out how to put my rear oversized banner on, but I'll figure it out. Probably just have to put it on the bottom of the trailer, but I'll chain the strap down. Time to hit the road. Took no longer than a couple hours, so it's not too bad, but we're all ready to go. Time to hit the road. Made her to the unload point. We're getting her unloaded. Hopefully. It's looking good. Alright, we are unloaded. Now we are heading to Tomahawk to meet up with Sheldon and Brad and get some good content. Let's go. Alright, so about 10 minutes from Sheldon's where I'm gonna drop my truck and trailer for the weekend, and then they are at the bar because Sheldon rented out a bar for a few weeks, and they are gonna grab me McDonald's because I haven't ate yet and I'm starving, and there was no truck stops on the way from Sheldon, Wisconsin to Tomahawk here, so yeah. God damn.